Mr. Secretary, Dr. Paul Offit, who you know is on the National Vaccine Advisory Board, was on CNN earlier today. He said this.
Of course, he's going to do everything he can to make vaccines less available and less affordable. He is about to certainly hurt the vaccine infrastructure in this country. And I think what's about to happen is he is about to join hands with Donald Trump and march together into measles land, because I think that's what's about to happen.
So you're now going to be responsible, not an open border. You're going to be responsible for a measles outbreak. That's the new line from the vaccine community.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to take away anybody's vaccine. If people are happy with their vaccines, they ought to be able to get them. What we're going to do is give people good science. We don't have good safety studies on almost any of the vaccines. The vaccines are the one medical product that is exempt from pre-licensing safety studies. So I sued HHS a few years ago in 2018, and I said, show us one study, one pre-licensing study of any of the vaccines that are now, the 72 vaccines that are now mandated for children on the childhood schedule. And after a year of sandbagging, HHS came to the courthouse and handed us a letter and saying, yeah, there are no studies. The only vaccine that is on the childhood schedule that had a placebo-controlled double-blind trial was the COVID vaccine. None of the other ones have. That doesn't mean you have to do that kind of trial now, but you need to know what the risk profile is for these products.
Do you think the COVID vaccine was safe and the boosters were safe? I mean, a lot of people talk about adverse effects.
We don't have good data on it, and that is a crime. The fact that we don't have a surveillance system that actually works. In 2010, CDC has a surveillance system called the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, and it's supposed to pick up injuries. But CDC did a study of that system in 2010, and that study said, and this is a published study by CDC, that it captures less than 1% of the vaccine injuries. That's inexcusable. Congress has repeatedly, and the Institute of Medicine, the National Academy of Sciences, have repeatedly ordered CDC to put together a better vaccine.
Will you require it?
And we will do that right away.